you're a hairstylist and you want to know more about TikTok. Well, you are in the right place. My name is Lita and I own Tone Hair Salon in Raleigh, North Carolina. I have over 1.5 million authentic fans on TikTok, and I'm going to give you 3 of my best tips. Make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, share this with everybody, follow me on TikTok, and follow me on Instagram. Tone Hair Salon NC on Instagram, Tone Hair Salon everywhere else. Let's begin.
Every single day, I'm gonna make something great. That's my way. Every single day, I'm gonna make something.
All right, my fellow hairstylists, tip number 1, TikTok is not Instagram, okay? Get that through your head, because if I see one more before and after transition on TikTok, I'm going to just scream. They don't care about that. Seriously. If they want to see before and afters, they're gonna go right to Instagram. They want to see the process. And don't make it so difficult, because what a hairstylist knows is way, way complicated. I don't want to use the word dumb it down, but dumb it down. People don't know the simplest things and they appreciate the littlest tips. So don't spend too much time over analyzing your work and how you're going to share the information. Keep it simple. Keep your videos 15 to 30 seconds starting out, okay? That is tip number 1. Now on to tip number 2. All right guys, number 2 for my hairstylist. If you see a trend that's happening, try to make it relatable for hairstylists and in the hair salon. So any trend that you see, keep it within your niche. That's part of the problem why some people in any industry don't do well on TikTok, is because they're going in many different directions. You want to keep it in 1 to maybe 2 niches within the TikTok account. That is it. So if you're hair, keep it hair. Every once in a while, I try to throw a personal something in there, and I'll tell you, it usually doesn't do well because people that are coming to my account want to see my hair videos. So keep it within niche, okay? Let's go on to number 3. All right guys, number 3, this is really important, okay? TikTokers don't want to be sold. They don't want you to tell them to go to a link to buy something, okay? You want to do that on Instagram, stick it to Instagram. TikTokers can see it a mile away if you're just trying to sell them something. You need to be authentic and not salesy. I have got so many more tips and I'm going to be coming out with more videos. I started my TikTok account, Tone Hair Salon, in December 2018. To be 100% honest, let me go ahead and tell you how my account started. My son, who was 11 years old at the time, well, he was 10 at the time, told me to create an account. I was like, fine, I guess, it's just for kids, but okay, I'll do it. From December 2018 until October of 2019, I made about 5 videos. They were all horrible. And one day in the salon, me and a couple of my assistants, we made a really funny video. I'm telling you guys, I went from 17 followers, which were my son's friends, to 10,000 followers in just a couple days. At that point, I knew I had something, because I have always tried hard, struggled on Facebook, struggled on Instagram, and I was like, this is magical. Like, oh my gosh, how? You can grow this fast? And it's still possible, guys. So from that day forward, I started producing about 5 videos a day. I know it sounds hard, but I'm telling you guys, it is not. And this is bonus tip right here, okay? It is not as hard as it seems, because your videos should be 15 to 30 seconds, right? So the littlest things can go viral and you really never know. And when you think you know, it doesn't work anymore. It's the craziest thing. TikTok has an algorithm like no other, but it's fun. So I urge you guys, if you haven't started a TikTok, go ahead and start. You gotta start somewhere, make a video. You never know what's gonna go viral. I'm gonna give you a second bonus tip because I love you guys, okay? Second bonus tip, hashtags. Not like Instagram, right? I told you tip number 1, forget Instagram. hashtags must be relevant. Do not put in irrelevant hashtags into your post. It will not do well. So you're doing a color correction, keep it color correction, hair dye removal, hairstylist, hairdresser. Don't put in, I don't know, fun food facts, right? Like, keep it within the niche. Keep your hashtags relatable to the post. Okay, thank you guys. I'll have more. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you share this video. And see you guys soon.